guys, Catfish, back with another video. Now today's video, we out here at the Texas Motorplex, man, at the YouTuber Call Out, Part 2, Dunk Master versus Criminology. Yeah, man, we out here chilling, man. We out here with Pimpin TV. Yeah.
I'm trying to be like you, though. Hey, man, ladies and gentlemen, I want y'all to see Showdown, Alfina Alex, okay? I ain't never met a cooler dude in America. You know you cool as hell when your white tee is that crispy, like it's on a mannequin. You know you that dude. He got the crown on. Check it out.
Yeah, I see baby. I see baby. These babies got the crown on, y'all. Look at it. Wait. I gotta get him on here. These babies got on the crown. King babies.
Hey man, the king is in town.
Oh hell!
All hail to the king. King babies. King babies in town. Yeah.
My nigga the king.
Yeah, he ain't playing.
He ain't playing, bro. He baby. I ain't know he was born.
Pimpin TV got his plaque.
That's
Free
my
smoke.
bad.
Check it out. Let me see.
Hey, y'all want to check it out, man?
Yeah.
Hey, no, go check the stats, y'all. Check it out. They dropped some gems on me. Longest free smoke they show is usually about 57 minutes. 2 hours, 50 minutes, right? Easter Sunday, first comedian non-car guy. Playback numbers, highest rated. This the biggest joint so far, baby. And it's only 5 days old. If you missed it, stop playing yourself. Go laugh, go like, go subscribe to a pimp. Don't do it to yourself, man. You see I'm shining. You see, hustle. And if you don't want to subscribe, then fuck you. You don't want to laugh, and I don't care. Cause a pimp in the crib, there goes. Hey, they go
to a pimp because he walk with a limp.
Exactly. And y'all see my sister, she half dinosaur. No other white girls built like her. They built her in the lab. Make sure y'all understand that. She half Tyrannosaurus. No. Hey, wait to the outfit, y'all.
We gonna walk, man. We got Miss 75 Caprice in the building. What's going on, bro? I know everybody know who you are, but shut that channel out one time.
So y'all go follow me, Mr. 75 Caprice. YouTube.
All right. Hey, like Rail say, already.
I don't know.
Yeah, guys, we walk. Oh my God.
Look there. See where you go. Rap nasty.
A lot of cars. Racer X over there with him and his wife's car. There's T-Rose car right here. Look at this thing. We got T-Rose in the building. Y'all see, go subscribe to my sister. On YouTube, T-Rose. Oh yeah, that's bad, ain't? Look at the tips. Look at the side tips, guys. Yeah, T-Rose ain't playing no games. There's a lot of young ladies got some nice cars out here. Let you go follow on YouTube. Yeah, this is my little sis right here. Look at it. Y'all follow on YouTube. But wait a minute. Look at it. Just the famous. Look at the famous thing too. That's Daytona. She had a scat first. This is another young lady. Dream Chasing Gio right here. It's another young lady with a nice car. She got the Hemi. Y'all see it? Blacked out windows. Y'all see it? Go follow my girl on Instagram and YouTube. There you go right there, Fast Gato TV in the building.
What up, Mr. Catfish?
What's going on, brother?
Oh, I don't know. Just ran. I just got to run in with Mr. E-Vapors.
You tore him up, didn't you?
Came out pretty. Hey, man. I did get the W, but I got to tell you, that car surprised me.
Oh yeah, okay.
That thing took off fast.
Okay.
Yeah, man. But
It's all in fun, brother. We just out here having a good time.
It is, man. I'm down to take an L just like anybody else.
Yes, sir.
But I got the W on this one.
Uh-oh.
You know what I'm saying? So
All right now.
I got to take him any way I get him.
I know it. All right, bro.
Appreciate you.
All right. Look at this square gray right here. This 86 face. Yeah. Follow him on YouTube. Oh, he got a 1322. Oh, snap. Yeah.
buddy out here.
People don't know. Hey, this is a baby demon right here. A lot of people sleep on this car. Because my boy got one, 1320 Detroit. He got one too.
You got some races lined up already?
What's up, boy?
Oh, I'm just gonna go out and run. What's going on?
What's going on, man? I forgot who you was, didn't you?
No, I didn't forget.
You sold the other car?
Of course, but at the same time, you know I got rid of the V6, right?
That's the one I wanted
It's
to buy.
gone.
But man, I didn't buy it though. You ain't called me.
Yeah, dude in California beat you to it.
That's right.
Paid for it straight up.
How much?
I made a pretty penny off of it. We'll put it this way: I made all my money back and then a little bit.
Well,
And you know how much was in that car.
I told you when I was in, last time when I was in Dallas, I said, whenever you got ready to get rid of the damn thing, holla at a brother.
I needed more horsepower though. It was time.
I don't care. I just wanted it.
Here. You'll understand. Here, let me start it for you. You'll understand why.
Oh Lord, y'all go follow. Hey, y'all go follow this guy on YouTube and Instagram. He clown. He cutting up. Let me hit it. Oh wow. He had a V6 that was whooping V8. But yeah, that's nasty.
That's nasty, man.
Yeah, but you should have seen the V6 though. The V6 was kicking V8s behind
I had the fastest V6 in the
in
country.
the country.
By like a long shot.
Yeah, he did.
Everything.
Everything. Hey,
like
we ain't
legitimately
got,
everything.
We ain't got enough time for him to sit here and tell you, but hey, I saw the car in person. The guy was nasty.
There was nothing on that car that wasn't touched.
Yeah.
Everything was modified.
Yep. Nasty.
And now she's back out in Los Angeles tearing those
And you
streets
know
up.
what the thing about him? He's such a nice guy. Because Demonology introduced him to me. We chopped it up like we knew
Yep.
each other for years.
Yep.
Yep.
That's how it should be, man. That's what the
Yeah,
cars.
but-
That's what car culture's
But see,
about.
there's still a lot of people in this game that ain't like that.
I know. It's absolutely true.
They want you to pay them to come to an event. Screw that.
Yep. But you know, those are also the people that run no times, right? Because they don't want to know. People don't know how slow they are.
Yeah, right. Yeah, we're gonna walk around some more.
Yes, sir. Hey, it's good seeing you, my man.
Good seeing you too, bro. I like that. Oh, wait a minute. And he's a driver too. I'm gone. I ain't got nothing else to say. What up, bro? Shout that channel out, man.
VA_392, man. You see it. Let's go.
My man,
OG
my man.
Catfish was good with you.
Nothing, man. Follow them guys right there.
Thank
they
you.
are funny
Thank you.
as hell, guys.
Thank you so much.
All right, man. Yep. There go my boy AB. AB in the
What up, y'all?
channel up.
Hey man, it's your boy AB. You're an auto enthusiast. Go check it out, BMW content. Definitely follow me on IG at Opulent M3. Hey, got some shorts and stuff that I'm gonna be throwing up there with all this content. So stay tuned. Good shit.
Yes, sir. What's up, Nova?
Hi.
Girl, talk to my people. Come on, girl. You know I'm gonna tell you. I told you the other day you're a rising star in this game, girl. Come on now.
I appreciate you.
Not a lot of women can drive one of these, handle this.
They
It's
can't.
a lot of power.
They can't.
I know you doing the damn thing, girl.
Thank you.
I seen Pimpin over there
I
talking to you.
appreciate it.
Yep. Pretty. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
She went hard. Got the wide, but she went for the gusto out the gate.
Waited 6 months for it.
Huh?
Waited 6 months.
I know. And she got the windshield. And she got the windshield tinted too.
Hey, what we talking about less is more.
Yeah. Y'all follow my girl on IG.
Oh, they gonna know what's up regardless.
The real Nova. Follow my girl on IG. Look at the concave on that back rim. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Not only can she drive, she beautiful, dude. Look at her. She trying to blush. But that's all right. She been getting this all day, guys, so it ain't no thing. Yep. Look at her. Look at her. Go on, girl.
Thank you, though.
You welcome.
Appreciate it.
We gotta lift each other up in this game. We can't be
Most
throwing
definitely.
shade
None of that.
and ain't nobody bigger than nobody else out here.
Never.
Even the big people.
We all on the same
Oh.
level.
It's enough out here for everybody to eat.
It is. It most
That's
definitely
what
is.
people gotta understand though. But all right, girl, I had to get you on my channel. Cause you know I've been watching you since day one anyway.
I appreciate it.
Oh yeah. Definitely. She got a beautiful car, y'all. She graduated. She had another one. She went for the gusto on this one. See, it's pretty. She don't need no rap, none of that. Just leave it like
I
this.
really don't.
And go.
Everybody be asking me like,
see? She
I'm not
agree with
rapping
me.
this car.
She don't need no rap.
Well, my scat pack was all white, and
I remember.
my roof was black on the scat pack.
You gonna black the roof
White's
on
my
this
color.
one, baby?
No.
You gonna leave it all
That's why I
white?
got the satin hood.
Oh, okay. Oh, I didn't see that. See? Oh yeah, she got satin hood, guys. Okay. All right. That look good. You doing the damn thing, girl. Keep on intimidating these guys because they mad when a woman can drive better.
They
than
are
you.
mad.
Come on now. Let's keep it. Hey, let's keep it 100. Hey, let's keep it 100. A stack.
Right.
All right.
You right.
All right. You know me.
Okay, though.
Hey, you know me. I always keep it 100. All right, girl. Keep doing your thing. You know I'll be watching.
Thank you.
All right. A lot of nice cars out here, though, boy. Yeah, y'all. Look at this Mustang. Ooh. Look at that wrap on that thing. Y'all see it? Cruising with Chris on YouTube and Cruising with Chris on IG. Follow that man. Ooh, that wrap is nasty, guys. Oh, my goodness. Yeah. We got Seifu Lazo out here. He is he and I am him. Got the forges on there. Got the Hulk thing. There you go. Seifu Lonzo. Hey. Yeah, my boy Booty. You got booty action on the back. You know he climbing. You got TK. TK's garage. Yeah, he manual too, guys. Got the green monster. Hey, girl. Yep. Oh, she took the manual, guys. Yeah, guys, a lot of horsepower out here. Lots of horsepower. A lot of horsepower out here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, we still walking. We got Life of Jerry repairs right here.
Where you put it in right here? You want to set it right here?
Got my little brother Life of Jerry repairs.
Man?
Yes, sir.
Everybody hating on you, though?
You want 1,600. Nigga, do you work, nigga?
A lot of stuff out here, guys. Hey, what up, man? What's going on? Life of Jerry repairs. Got Life is GQ. Y'all follow my brother,
Not going
man.
back to normal.
That's
Niggas
it.
taking over. Like, that's how it feels, bro.
That's
Do
him.
whatever you want. Go smoke somebody broad daylight and walk away, and you're going to be okay.
That's the man right here.
Hey, man, y'all know what it is, man. We on Catfish Corner, man. You know what I'm saying? All the way from Chicago down to the south. You know, a Midwest veteran, man. So y'all got to stay tuned to his channel. Go ahead and lock in, subscribe, like, and comment, and don't skip the ads. You know what to do, man. Stay tuned, baby.
Likewise, you follow my little brother, Life is GQ.
You know it, man. I got my channel,
Like,
man. You know what I'm
comment,
saying? If you check out
share,
mine.
subscribe.
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying?
Y'all see it right there. Y'all see it. Going over here. Where Corey at? I see the truck. Oh Lord, look at this guy. Look at this
My
guy.
new truck. How you guys like this?
Oh, that's like, yeah, it's Corey.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's going
You guys
on, man?
like that?
You enjoying the show? First
Yeah,
one?
man, that's awesome, man.
Okay.
That's first time out here, and it is awesome.
Yes,
I
sir.
love it.
A lot of love, ain't it?
Yeah, a lot of love, a lot of respect for everybody. It's super cool. Everybody's legit. Everybody's showing each other love. The car seat is crazy this year at the YouTube.
Yeah, everybody bring their A game.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This thing is crazy, man. It's mad. It's crazy. We got SRT Goddess in the building. Hello. What's up, girl? What's happening? How you liking your first show?
I love it.
A lot of love, ain't it? All right, that's what we talking about. That's what we talking about. Yep.
I came over here to talk to y'all.
What up, T-Rose?
What up?
My girl T-Rose in the building. We walking, man. We walking. The line's still coming in, man. We got this mythical car right here. Y'all see him? Y'all see him? It's my little brother. My little brother right here.
Man. What's going on?
Chillin',
Catfish
man.
gang, Catfish gang. What's happening?
Nothing, bro.
Man, how's you liking the event?
I'm loving it, man. We was here last year.
Yeah.
We was here last year, but I'm having fun, man.
Yeah, it's definitely a whole lot of people out
The
here.
Squizzy and the Fish Gang in the same building.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Look at this thing, guys. He done got track tucked like a mug. Look at that. Yes, sir. Legendary car. Legendary car. Oh, look at this. Look at that. We got the young bloods in here. We got Camel Cat. This is Josh Laurent's car right here. The big red eye. This is Josh Laurent. And Camel Cat right here. Two youngsters on the scene doing the damn thing, man. My little brother, he got red guts in there too. There you go. Camel Cat. Follow him on YouTube. I don't know where they at. They're around here somewhere. Yeah, look at that wrap on that thing. Yeah.
Hey man, your car is reliable as hell. I see you driving it everywhere on YouTube, man. Now you in Texas.
Hey man.
That thing there.
Hey man, that's what you're supposed to do. I don't want no trailer queen, bro.
Already.
Everybody say, man, you drove that thing, but see, hey, I'm gonna tell you, I made Demonology a promise. If you ever had anything in Texas, after the first one last year, I said I'm bringing old girl, and she here.
Already.
No problem, air conditioner blowing, just laying back right.
Already.
And tearing up some highway too.
That's what's up.
Yes, sir. Hey man, thanks for the support, man. Appreciate you.
What's up, man?
There he is.
What's up, baby?
I gotta get him on camera real quick.
Just lay this off this car.
I gotta get him on camera real quick. I know he's busy. Y'all gonna follow
Hey, Donnie, what gate are you at? What gate are you at? Okay, so Donnie, go all the way down, past the first two gates, go all the way down. Tell them dudes that I told you to come in. If they got a problem, tell them to call me. Okay.
You got Demonology in the building. He's so busy, everybody calling me.
Yeah, you're on the back side. Yeah.
I want to get this shirt on here.
All right, B.
Good Lord.
Good Lord, what's up, baby?
I brought old girl for you.
Yeah, I know you.
You got the queen in the building.